name is Arturo. I was born with an eye problem. One of the greatest fears that I hear about during my support groups with blind people is that they're not going to be able to do the normal things like get on Facebook, do texting and get messages and make phone calls.
There are 285 million visually impaired people worldwide. While we enjoying all the technological advance that we have right now for the communications, blind people get even more cut off.
For 20 years, there was almost no innovation. Existing Braille devices are bulky and expensive.
2 years ago, we set out to change this with Dot, the first smartwatch for the visually impaired people.
Dot is an active Braille device. It is connected to the smartphone via Bluetooth and can receive any text information from any app or service. For input, there is a crown and 2 buttons. It comes with full watch functionality. That is made from super light durable aluminum, and the battery lasts for 7 days. But most importantly, it's affordable at just $290.
I have this Braille smartwatch, which is a huge life-changing technology for me. It behaves as a navigation, notification, and a remote system.
If you get a call, it vibrates, then you can check who is calling to you.
You can get on Google Maps and find the nearest Starbucks. Boom, there it is, literally at your fingertips.
Young children who are blind and visually impaired can learn at an earlier age how to read Braille.
Dot is an open system. Anyone can write programs for it. All kinds of apps are already in development.
I can read in the dark, can you?
Meet Kiwi P1, the world's most compact laser distance meter. Petite, precise, and undoubtedly powerful. Kiwi P1 makes your measuring tasks quick and easy. Kiwi P1 is the perfect all-in-one product to cure your measurement headaches. Ideal for interior design, quantity surveying, building, or simply purchasing furniture for the home. Forget the bulky, complicated laser distance meters with just too many buttons. P1 is compact, simple, and precise, with a stunning accuracy of plus or minus 2 millimeters. And its one-button function lets you easily switch between different modes. You can also use Kiwi P1 as a remote control to take measurements in hard-to-reach spots and say goodbye to tangled tape measure. Kiwi P1 fits everywhere: home, office, construction site. Small is the new powerful. It's the ultimate measuring tool designed to make lives easier for those who need to accurately and quickly measure items on a daily basis. Kiwi P1. Let everyday life measure up to perfection.
Hi, I'm Ryan.
And I'm Elias.
We're part of the team behind Sonic Soak.
Sonic Soak is a smartphone-sized device that uses ultrasound technology to clean almost anything in ways never before possible.
It cleans to the microscopic level, beyond what any laundry machine or cleaning spray can do. The inspiration for this device came from the fact that we were frequent travelers, and cleaning our clothes while on the go was always a hassle, so we had to set out to find a good solution.
It's also quiet and can be used to clean more than clothes. It can clean glasses, jewelry, fruits, razors, baby bottles, or products that are tough to clean using sponges or rags or your hands or soap and water.
I think they get the idea, Elias.
Okay, I just want to be clear. This is the best way to clean pretty much anything.
Sonic Soak works by generating ultrasonic sound waves that create microscopic high-pressure bubbles to wash away dirt, grime, and oils.
We had no idea at the time that we'd come up with was a device that had so many benefits outside of travelers wanting an easy way to wash clothes while on the go.
It's also simple to use. You simply place it in water, add some soap, turn on the built-in timer, and walk away. Minutes later, your clothes are cleaner than ever before.
Sonic Soak is designed for travelers, moms, neat freaks looking for a thorough cleanse, and not just on clothes, by the way, but on fruits and vegetables too. Folks with small loads of laundry, fashionistas that need a better solution for their gentle cycle or hand wash only clothes, folks that don't have the space for a full-size laundry machine. Really, it's for anyone who wants a cleaner, well, almost anything. Because Sonic Soak is more than a great way to clean your laundry, it can clean just about anything you can stick in the water with it.
So if you like things clean, free from all those nasty things you can only see up close, Sonic Soak is your solution.
Sonic Soak is ready to be shipped just after our campaign ends. We just need you to help make it happen.
Which means you can have a cleaner almost anything in practically no time once we end this campaign successfully. So please help us bring Sonic Soak to mass production and experience clean like never before. Now you can enjoy a cleaner lifestyle wherever you go.
Poor sleep and daytime drowsiness are our enemies and epidemics of the 21st century. They are often the reasons for our failures, depression, and health issues. We all could use more restful sleep, extra energy, and better concentration to reduce stress, advance performance, look younger, and fully enjoy life. SleepMan was developed by our scientists and engineers to solve these problems. It includes the features needed by most of us and was created to boost our success and improve our lives. The new SleepMan is fully upgraded based on suggestions from the Kickstarter community received during our first campaign. The unique e-magnetic enhancer safely stimulates your nervous system with scientifically patterned impulses. You likely wouldn't feel them, but you'll definitely wake up fully refreshed and stay more productive and energetic all day long. SleepMan effectively improves your sleep. Throughout the night, it monitors your sleep stages, enhances sleep efficiency, and wakes you up at the right moment within your preset time range, so you feel better rested and energized. During the daytime, it monitors your biosignals and notifies you of tiredness and concentration loss. SleepMan's bioactive power nap and relaxation mode is one of the most effective ways to eliminate drowsiness. Every one of us is unique. That's why SleepMan utilizes self-learning technology and adapts to its users' biorhythms for the best results. The SleepMan app tracks your improvements and shows how to adjust your daily routine to feel even better. We've designed the new SleepMan to be modern-looking and comfortable to wear around the clock. It fits any hand and easily matches any outfit for any occasion. One day, SleepMan might even save you or your loved ones. Most accidents are caused by loss of concentration. SleepMan's Focus Loss Alert gives you a timely warning and never lets you lose control, whether you are spacing out on a date, driving, working, socializing, or playing on your computer. Today, we need your help to start production, and together, we can help the world to sleep and live better. Thank you for your support from our team and everybody who needs SleepMan.
Hey buddy, what's up?
Okay, Lumo. Let's go.
What is this thing?
Any ideas? I'll be right back.
Cheer up, humans.
Pizza. Chinese.
Sorry, I'm vegan.
Watch this. 3, 2, 1.
Fancy a flyer?
Whoa.
You're welcome.
Okay, Lumo. Go.
Sir, yes, sir.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल टेक कन्वर्जन को और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हमारी सभी नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे। और अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करना ना भूलें। इसके अलावा शेयर कीजिएगा अपने सभी दोस्तों और फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ